as reaction is takes place with the mild nitrating reagent, the nitration is takes place at the alpha position or the beta position. Already there is an a alpha position. Okay, the alpha position is already substituted. Okay, already substituted by the two ester groups. Okay, the two ester groups. What is the remaining? The remaining is about there is an a 3 position. The 3 position or the 3 position, or it is the beta position. Both the beta positions are available. Therefore, the nitration is takes place for the beta position. As the both the 2,5 substituted groups are identical groups. Okay, the identical groups. Therefore, the reaction is takes place at the either any one of the position. We can get the nitration reaction. Okay, gives the nitro substituted compounds. Okay, we can leads to the formation of the nitro substituted compound. The ester group remains as it is. Okay, the alpha position is the more reactive, but if the both the alpha positions are substituted by the already substituted, okay, the already substituted, the next electrophilic substitution is takes place at the beta position. As the both the groups are identical, the nitration is takes place at the one of the position. Okay, consider the mechanism. In the first step, the HNO3 interact with the acetic anhydride. Okay, reaction is takes place with the acetic anhydride that leads to the formation of acetyl nitrate, plus we can get the acetic acid. Okay, we can get the acetyl nitrate. In next step, this 2,5 disubstituted furan ring system undergoes the reaction with the acetyl nitrate, which is having the ACO minus NO2 plus. This oxygen lone pair is take part in the reaction. Both the positions are identical. The reaction is takes place with the nitronium ion. The left side remains as it is, having the CO2 C2H5. Here we get the olefinic double bond. The oxygen lone pair is take part in the reaction. The positive charge on the oxygen. Here we having the HNO2 group plus the ACO minus of the acetyl nitrate remains as it is, which can abstract the proton, gives the aromatization of the furan ring system, gives the loss of acetic acid. That gives the nitration at the third position. Okay, gives the nitration at the second, sorry, the third position. Now consider the second example. Okay, consider the second example. Suppose the reaction is carried out with the 2,5 the disubstituted furan derivative. Okay, the 2,5 disubstituted furan derivative. But now both the reason A groups are different. Okay, suppose the both the groups are different. Suppose the reaction is at the nitration is carried out with the acetyl nitrate. Okay, the reaction is carried out with the acetyl nitrate. Okay, at the one side it is the amide group is present, another side is the ester group. Am I audible again? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, screen is visible.
Yes.
Screen. Okay. Okay, consider about the next example. It is also the 2,5-diacetyl compound. The one group is the ester group. Okay, another group is the amide group. The other group is the amide group. There are the two beta positions, the beta and the beta dash. The beta and the beta dash. Both the beta and the beta dash are different. Okay, are different because the substituent present at the 2,5 position are different. Okay, the substituent present at the 2,5 positions are different. Therefore, both are giving the different type of the reactivity. Okay, both are giving the different type of the reactivity. As they are giving the different type of the reactivity, when the reaction is takes place, okay, reaction is takes place, it leads to the formation of the compound. Okay, leads to the formation of the compound, gives an a NHCOCH3 CO2 C2H5, the nitro group as the 4 position. Okay, gives the 4 nitro derivative. Okay, gives the 4 nitro exclusively formed. Okay, where the 4 nitro derivative are the exclusively form in the reaction. Okay, form in the reaction. Consider about there is an A reaction. Okay, consider the reaction. As we know, there is an A first step is the reaction of the HNO3 with the anhydride. We can get the acetyl nitrate. Okay, we can leads to the formation of the acetyl nitrate derivative. Okay, the acetyl nitrate reagent. In the next step, the attack is takes place at the beta position or the beta dash position. Okay, give the attack at the beta and the beta dash. We can leads to the formation of the two types of the intermediate. Okay, consider the two types of the intermediate. Suppose the attack is takes place at the 3 position. Okay, the 3 position. We can generate the electrophilic intermediate like this, having the HNO2, CO2, C2H5. Another side it is having the NHCOCH3 group. Okay, this is the first possibility. This is the resonance stabilized. having double bond, the plus charge here.
आमची मोटरच चालू नाही पण
Suppose the attack is, this is the attack is takes place at the 3 position. There may be the possibility that the attack is takes place at the 4 position, the beta dash position. When the attack is takes place at the beta dash position, we can generate the electrophilic intermediate having the double bond CO2 CTH5. Here we get the positive charge having the NH COCH3 group. This is the first intermediate. This intermediate is stabilized by, okay, this intermediate is stabilized by, okay, just a minute.
सर माइक ऑफ आहे तुमचा.
Okay, let us consider when the attack takes place at the fourth position. Okay, the fourth position, we can generate a positive charge at the carbon number 5. Carbon number 5. This positive charge is stabilized by the oxygen lone pair. Okay, the oxygen lone pair. We can get this resonance structure. Also, this amide group is there at the 5 position. Okay, amide group at the 5 position. It also stabilizes this positive charge. Okay, it can also stabilizes this positive charge. We can leads to the formation of the another electrophilic intermediate. Okay, another electrophilic intermediate. Now, what we observe here. Okay, what we observe here, when the attack takes place at the third position, we can get the two electrophilic intermediate. Okay, the two electrophilic intermediate that are resonance stabilized. While when the attack takes place at the fourth position, okay, the fourth position, then we can get the three resonance structure. There we can get the three resonance structure in which the positive charge is stabilized by the two nitrogen atom and the oxygen atom. The nitrogen atom and the oxygen atom. Therefore, this intermediate, okay, this intermediate is more stable. Okay, the more stable as compared to there is an when the attack takes place at the third position. It is the less stable. Okay, the less stable. That's why we can say that. Okay, we can say that this attack is preferably takes place at the fourth position, not at the third position. Not at the third position. In the next step, which easily undergoes an aromatization, which easily undergoes the aromatization, where there is a loss of ACO minus can abstract this hydrogen. Okay, leads to the formation of the final compound. Okay, that leads to the formation of the final compound in which there is we can obtain the 4-nitro derivative exclusively. Okay, we can obtain the 4-nitro derivative exclusively in the reaction. Okay, exclusively in the reaction. Okay, that will be the final product. Okay, the final product. समझ का? There are the depends on there is a two positions at the two groups are different group. Those group gives a stable intermediate. Okay, the reaction is takes place at that position. Here the attack at the 4 position gives the more stable electrophilic intermediate which can stabilize by the oxygen as well as the amide group. Okay, the amide group. Such a type of stabilization is not possible when the attack takes place at the third position. That's why the exclusively we can get the 4-nitro derivative. The 4-nitro derivative. Okay, झाले complete. We completed earlier reaction. Everyone completed the earlier reaction. Can we proceed to the next?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, consider the next reaction. Suppose the reaction is carried out with the 2,5-disubstituted derivative, type 2,5-disubstituted derivative. The reaction is carried out with the formaldehyde. Okay, the formaldehyde in presence of HCl, ZnCl twice, chloroform at 25 degrees centigrade. 25 degree centigrade. Consider the mechanism. Consider the mechanism. In the first step, there is an A formaldehyde. In the last lecture, as we see, the formaldehyde undergoes the protonation with the in presence of HCl. Okay, the HCl weaken leads to the formation of the CH2 double bond OH plus. Okay, the OH plus. Okay, now there are the two beta positions are available. Okay, when the attack takes place at the 3 position, the positive charge on the carbon number second. When the attack takes place at the 4 position, the positive charge on the carbon number 5. Okay, the 5. This carbon number 5 is attached to the electron withdrawing. Okay, the electron withdrawing the ester group. While the CH3 group is the electron donating group. Okay, therefore the carbanion at the second position is well stabilized as compared to the 5 position. Therefore the attack takes place at the 3rd position, not at the 4th position. Consider the mechanism. In the first step, okay, the thiophene, okay, the thiophene is having the ester group remains as it is. It is the CH3 group. The sulfur is lone pair is take part in the reaction. The attack takes place on this electrophilic intermediate, which is obtained by the protonation. We can get the positive charge on the sulfur. This ester group remains as it is. The CH3 group, here we obtain the HCH2OH. Okay, next step is the aromatization. Gives the aromatization of this thiophene ring system. We can obtain the final product. Meaning the CH3CH2OH group. Okay, that will be the final compound. Okay, the simple straightforward reaction. The first is generation of the electrophilic intermediate. Next step is the electrophilic attack takes place with the thiophene ring system at the 3rd position. Okay, last step is the aromatization. Okay, consider the next reaction. Suppose the reaction is carried out with the 5-methyl furic acid. Okay, the reaction is carried out with the 5-methyl furic acid. Give the reaction with the 5-methyl furic acid. Nitration is carried out. We can get the 3-nitro derivative and the 2-nitro derivative, in which the 2-nitro derivative is the major. As we know, there is a first step. The first step is the formation of the acetyl nitrate as an electrophilic intermediate. Okay, complete that step. Give the formation of the acetyl nitrate as an electrophilic intermediate. When the reaction takes place at the 4th position, okay, there may be the possibility that the reaction takes place at the 4th position with the nitronium ion. The acetyl nitrate take part in the reaction. Okay, acetyl nitrate take part in the reaction. We can leads to the formation of the electrophilic intermediate first, which is well stabilized as compared to the attack at the 3rd position. Next step is the aromatization. The ACO- can abstract this proton. We get the nitro group here, the CH3 group here, the COH group. That we can get the first compound. It is the minor compound. Okay, it gives the formation of the minor product formation. Okay, consider the second mechanism. Suppose there is an Furan ring system which is having the COH group at the 2nd position. The reaction takes place with the acetyl nitrate. Okay, now the attack takes place again at the 2nd position. Gives the NO2 plus. We can get the more stable electrophilic intermediate by the CH3 group. It is having an NO2 C double bond OH group. In next step, this ACO- can abstract this proton. This gives the loss of CO2. That gives the aromatization of the furan ring system. Neutralize the charge on the oxygen atom. Here we get the double bond CH3 NO2 group. Gives the loss of ACOH. Loss of there is an CO2. Okay, gives the formation of the 5-methyl 2-nitro furan ring cysteine that is obtained as an a major product. Okay, that can obtain as a major product. Okay, consider the similar reaction. The similar reaction is carried out with an a similar reaction is carried out with the pyrrole ring cysteine. Okay, consider the reaction. The reaction is carried out with the pyrrole ring cysteine. Okay, consider the similar type of reaction. The reaction is carried out with the hydrogen cyanide in presence of HCl, followed by the reaction with the water. Okay, followed by the reaction with the water gives the 2-formyl pyrrole derivative. The 2-formyl pyrrole derivative. This type of formylation is known as an a Guttermann's formylation. Okay, this type of reaction is known as an a Guttermann's formylation. Okay, that gives the Guttermann's formylation. Okay, Guttermann's formylation. Consider the mechanism. In the first step, the reaction takes place with the hydrogen cyanide. Okay, the first step, the reaction is carried out with the hydrogen cyanide. Under there is an a acidic condition, HCl gives the protonation of this nitrogen lone pair. Okay, the nitrogen lone pair we can leads to the formation of the HC triple bond NH plus. Okay, which is resonance stabilized, gives the gen formation of the carbocation. Okay, that leads to the formation of the carbocation. In the next step, this carbocation is interact with the pyrrole ring cysteine. Now there is an a, all the carbon atoms are the substituted. Okay, it is the highly substituted compound. The reaction takes place with the nitrogen lone pair at the carbon atom, which consists of the carboxylic group. Okay, which consists of the carboxylic group having the positive charge on the carbon. Okay, gives the formation of the electrophilic intermediate. I'll write down here the electrophilic intermediate having the double bond NH, the positive charge on the nitrogen atom. Here we having a olefinic double bond Br group CH3. Here we having the C double bond OH group. Here we having the CH double bond NH. Okay, next step is the CH3 group is here. Next step is the aromatization of the pyrrole ring cysteine, neutralize the charge on the nitrogen. As we neutralize the charge on the nitrogen, what we get the NH double bond This ring system is as it is, the other substituent remains as it is. Now here we get the CH double bond NH. Okay, the CH double bond NH. Next step is the reaction is carried out with the water molecule under the acidic condition, gives a nucleophilic attack of the water molecule is takes place. That leads to the formation of the NH. The other ring system remains as it is. There will be no change. The change takes place on the substituted group present at the second position, where we get the CH OH plus charge on the oxygen. Here we having Na NH minus. This NH minus can abstract the proton, neutralize the charge on the oxygen. As we neutralize the charge on the oxygen, okay, that leads to the formation of the pyrrole ring system, and their substituent remains as it is, having the CS3 group, Br group, CS3 group. Now what we get here, CH OH NH2. Okay, CH OH NH2. Okay, next step is the protonation. Convert a bad leaving amino group to the good leaving amino group. As we convert a bad leaving group to the good leaving group, we can give the CH OH NH3 plus. Here we give the plus H plus. The other groups remains as it is. Next step is the departure of the ammonia. Give the loss of ammonia, loss of H plus, gives a plus H plus. Now give the minus H plus, that can act as a catalyst. What we get here, NH C double bond OH CS3 Br CS3. That is the formylation reaction. Okay, we can observe the formylation at the second position. That is known as a Gutterman-Koch reaction. Okay, the Gutterman-Koch reaction. Simply the first formation of the electrophilic intermediate. After the formation of the electrophilic intermediate, okay, the electrophilic intermediate, next step is the nucleophilic attack. It takes place at the second position, which carries a carboxylic acid group. Okay, next step is the aromatization with the loss of CO2. Okay, the loss of CO2 gives a loss of CO2. We can generate an aromatic heterocyclic ring system. Next step, the reaction is carried out with water with the nucleophilic attack of water. Next step is the proton transfer from oxygen to the nitrogen. We get the CH-OH NH2 group. Next step is the protonation of this amino group. Convert a bad leaving group to the good leaving group. Next step is the reversal of polarity. Gives the loss of ammonia, loss of proton. That gives the formylation at the second position. That is known as an Gutterman's formylation. Will I complete?
Yes, sir.
Zalaka sir, once complete. Can we proceed to the next? Shall I complete, sir? Once can we proceed to the next?
Yes, sir.
Okay, consider the next point about there is an orientation of substituents. Okay. As we start about the orientation of the substituents. It gives the orientation of the substituents. Consider the first about the electron withdrawing 3 substituent. Consider the first point about the electron withdrawing 3 substituent. Okay, the electron withdrawing 3 substituent. When at the 3 position, okay, at the 3 position, the electron withdrawing substituent is present. The electron withdrawing substituent is present. What is that orientation effect of that particular substituent? The particular substituent. Consider the example. Suppose the reaction is carried out with the N-methyl 3-nitropyrrole. Give the reaction of the N-methyl 3-nitropyrrole. The reaction is carried out with the boron trifluoride in presence of the acetic anhydride at 100 degrees centigrade. The 100 degree centigrade gives the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Okay, the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. When the electron withdrawing group is present at the third position. Okay, this is the 1, 2, third position. Okay, third position. The next incoming electrophilic substitution takes place at the 5 position. This takes place at the 5 position. We can leads to the formation of the 5 substituted compound. Okay, we can leads to the formation of the 5 substituted compound. Okay, we can leads to the formation of the 5 substituted compound. If the electron withdrawing group at the 3rd position, next incoming electrophilic substitution takes place at the 5 position. Here the reaction is carried out with the acetic anhydride at the 100 degrees centigrade with the boron trifluoride. Okay, gives the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. We can get the N as there is an A5-acyl derivative. The 5-acyl derivative. Consider the second example. The second example. Suppose the reaction is carried out with the 3-formylfuran. Okay, the reaction is carried out with the 3-formylfuran. The first step, the reaction is carried out with the nitric acid in presence of the acetic anhydride, followed by the reaction is carried out with the aqueous sulfuric acid, followed by the reaction with the aqueous sulfuric acid. As there is an A1, 2, 3, 3 position carries the electron withdrawing group. That is, carbonyl group is the electron withdrawing group. Next incoming electrophilic substitution takes place at the 5 position. The 5 position. We know there is an AHNO3 in presence of acetic anhydride. We can leads to the formation of the acetyl nitrate. Okay, the acetyl nitrate gives the nitration. Okay, the nitration takes place at the 5 position. We can get the 5-nitro derivative. Okay, we can leads to the 5-nitro derivative. What is the first step? The HNO3 with the acetic anhydride firstly leads to the formation of the acetyl nitrate. Okay, in the next step, this 3-formylfuran the reaction is carried out with an nitronium ion at the 5 position. We can leads to the double bond here. Here we having the H NO2 group. The CHO group is here having the plus charge on the oxygen. Okay, whatever the ACO minus is there, that ACO minus gives the nucleophilic attack at the 2nd position. Okay, next step is the nucleophilic attack of the acetyl group is takes place. We can get the addition product. Okay, we can get the addition product. In the next step, this addition product, the reaction is carried out with the aqueous H2SO4. Okay, carried out the reaction with the aqueous H2SO4. That gives the aromatization of this ring cysteine, gives the loss of acetic acid minus ACOH gives the loss of minus acetic acid when the reaction is carried out with the aqueous H2SO4 under the acidic condition. Here we get the nitro group. At the another side, the CHO group is remains as it is. Here we get the olefinic double bond. That will be the final product. The straightforward reaction. When the electron withdrawing group is present at the 3rd position, next incoming electrophilic substitution is takes place at the 5 position. Okay, consider the similar reaction. Suppose the reaction is carried out with the thiophene 3-carboxylic acid. Okay, thiophene 3-carboxylic acid. Bromination is carried out with the bromine in acetic acid. Okay, the bromine in acetic acid. We know the carboxylic acid group is the electron withdrawing group. Okay, the electron withdrawing group. Therefore, the next incoming electrophilic substitution, that is the addition of bromine, is takes place at the 5 position. We can get the 5-bromo derivative. The 5-bromo derivative. This is the orientation of the electron withdrawing substituent, which is already present on the heterocyclic ring cysteine. The next incoming electrophilic substitution is takes place at the 5 position. At the 5 position. Shall I complete? It is a straightforward reaction. I will not give the mechanism. This simple straightforward reaction gives an electrophilic attack at the 5 position. Next step is just aromatization. Gives the attack on the bromine. Gives the loss of bromine. Here we get the double bond H, Br positive charge on the sulfur, the COH group. Whatever the Br minus lost in this state, that Br minus abstract the proton, gives the aromatization, neutralize the charge on the sulfur, that leads to the formation of the final compound. Okay, consider the next effect. Electron donating substrate at 3 position. Okay. Electron donating substrate at the 3 position. When there is a group, there is an electron donating substrate is present at the 3rd position. What is the there is a position of the next incoming electrophile. The next incoming electrophile. Consider the first example. Suppose the reaction is carried out with the 3-bromothiophenene. The 3-bromothiophenene. We know the bromine, okay, shows an a minus I effect, but it is having a strong electron donating resonance effect. The resonance effect. Therefore, when the reaction is carried out with the 3-bromothiophenene, the reaction is carried out with the nitric acid in presence of acetic anhydride, gives the acetyl nitrate. As the electron donating group is present at the 3rd position, the next incoming electrophilic substitution takes place at the 2nd position. Okay, at the 2nd position, we can leads to the formation of the 2-nitro-3-bromo derivative. Okay, 3-nitro-2-bromo derivative. We already know the mechanism. I will not repeat that mechanism. As the electron donating substrate is present at the 3rd position, the next incoming electrophile at the 2nd position. Okay. Similar example, when the reaction is carried out with the 3-methylfuran. Okay, suppose the reaction is carried out with the 3-methylfuran. The reaction is carried out with the hydrogen cyanide in presence of HCl, followed by there is a hydrolysis with the water. Okay, as we see in the last lecture, about the Guttermann's reaction, gives the Guttermann's reaction. As we give the Guttermann's reaction, as the electron donating substrate is present at the 3 position, the next incoming formulation takes place at the 2nd position. We can get the 2-formyl derivative or the furfural. Okay, gives the 3-methyl furfural derivative. Gives the 3-methyl furfural. Okay, simply the reaction is carried out with the 3-methyl derivative, gives the Guttermann's reaction, gives the formulation at the 2nd position, as the electron donating group is at the 3rd position. Consider the 3rd example. Suppose you can carry out the reaction of the 3-methylfuran. The 3-methylfuran carried out, there is an acylation reaction. You can use the any acylating group. We can leads to the formation of the 2,3 isomer. Okay, give the substitution at the 2,3 position, or we can get the 3,5 substituted isomer. Okay, 3,5 substituted isomer, in which the 2,3 substitution is the 80%, while the 3,5 substitution is the 20%. Okay, mainly the substitution occurs at the 2nd position. We can get the 2,3 isomer is the 80%, the 3,5 isomer is the only the 20%. The 20%. When the bulkness of this CH3 group goes, substrate group goes on increasing, okay, there is an addition at the 5 substitution is obtained as a major product. Okay, due to there is an steric interaction. The CH3 group is a smaller group. There will be no steric interaction to the attack at the 2nd position. But when there is an bulkness at the 3rd position get increases. For example, we can get the 3-isopropyl thiophene. Okay, the 3-isopropyl thiophene carried out, there is an acylation. Carried out the acylation. We can get the 2,3 isomer. Okay, the 2,3 isomer is 31%, while the 3,5 isomer, okay, the 3,5 isomer is about the 48%. Okay, if we carry out the acylation, due to this isopropyl group, okay, give the more steric hindrance to attack at the second position. Therefore, instead of the attack takes place at the second position, the attack takes place at the 5 position. Gives the 3,5 substrate compound is obtained as a major. Okay, the 2,3 isomer is obtained as a minor. But if this CH3 group is a smaller group, okay, and it is the electron donating group, the incoming electrophilic substitution takes place at the second position. That will be obtained as a major product. Okay, that can be obtained as a major product. Okay, consider the similar type of reaction when we can again increase the bulkiness at the 3 position. For example, we can give the reaction of the 3 tertiary butyl thiophene. Suppose we can carry out the reaction with the 3 tertiary butyl thiophene and carried out the acylation. We carried out the acylation. As the bulkiness is highly increases, the attack at the second position is highly sterically hindered. Okay, highly sterically hindered. Instead of the attack takes place at the second position, we can obtain the only one product. Okay, the only one product in which the electrophilic substitution takes place at the 5 position, not at the second position, due to the high steric hindrance. Okay, the high steric hindrance, though it is the more electron donating group, okay, donating group, but due to the high steric interaction, the attack does not possible at the second position. In that case, the reaction takes place at the 5 position. We can get the 5 substituted derivative is obtained as a only one product. Here we obtain the 5 substituted derivative is obtained as an only one product. This is due to there is an high steric interaction. High steric interaction. This is about the when the group is present is the electron donating group. If the electron donating group is present at the third position, okay, third position, the next incoming electrophilic substitution takes place at the second position. The second position depends on the bulkiness. Okay, the bulkiness, we can obtain the 2,3 isomer is obtained as a major. Okay, the 3,5 isomer is a minor. As the bulkiness at the second position, third position goes on increasing, the possibility of the 2,3 isomer goes on decreasing. If the 2,3 if the 3 isomer, if it is a highly bulky, okay, that gives the high steric hindrance to the electrophilic approach at the second position, then we can get the only one product, that is the electrophilic substitution takes place at the second position. Okay, the second position. समजलं इथपर्यंत?
Yes, sir.
Okay, consider about the next point about the orientation effect. When the electron withdrawing group is present at the second position. Okay, firstly we say about the electron withdrawing substituent at the 3 position. Secondly, we can say about the electron donating group at the 3 position. Now consider third point. Okay, the third point, when the electron withdrawing group to substituent. Okay, when the electron withdrawing substituent is present at the second position. The second position. Consider the examples. Suppose the reaction is carried out with the 2 nitrofuran. Gives the 2 nitrofuran, gives the nitration. When there is an electron withdrawing substituent at the second position for this heterocyclic ring system. The next incoming electrophilic substitution is takes place at the 5 position. We can leads to the formation of the 2,5 dinitrofuran. Okay, we can leads to the formation of the 2,5 dinitrofuran. Similarly, if you consider the second example, suppose the reaction is carried out with the 2-nitropyrrole. Okay, the 2-nitropyrrole are subjected to the nitration. Okay, are subjected to the nitration. We can get the 2,4-dinitropyrrole plus the 2,5-dinitropyrrole. We can obtain the two types of derivatives. Gives the 2,4-dinitropyrrole and the 2,5-dinitropyrrole, in which the 2,4-dinitro is obtained as a 80% and the 20% is the 2,5-dinitropyrrole derivative. The 2,5-dinitropyrrole derivative. If we consider the third example, suppose the nitration is carried out with an 2-nitrothiophene. Okay, the 2-nitrothiophene are subjected to the nitration. Okay, are subjected to the nitration. Again, we can get the 2,4-dinitrothiophene derivative plus we can obtain the 2,5-dinitrothiophene derivative. The 2,4-dinitrothiophene derivative, in which the 2,5-dinitro is 85%, while the 15% is the 2,5-dinitro derivative. Okay, consider the similar reaction. Okay, the similar reaction when the reaction is carried out with the 2-acetylfuran. Okay, the 2-acetylfuran. The electron withdrawing group is present at the second position. The acetyl group 2-acetylfuran are subjected to the nitration. Okay, are subjected to the nitration. We can obtain the only one product. Okay, we can obtain the only one product. We can get leads to the formation of the 5-nitro derivative. Okay, we can leads to the formation of the 5-nitro derivative. But when the same reaction is carried out with the 2-acetylpyrrole, okay, the 2-acetylpyrrole, when there is a nitration is carried out with the 2-acetylpyrrole, again we can obtain the two product, gives the 4-nitro derivative and the 5-nitro derivative. Okay, the 5-nitro derivative. The 4-nitro is about the 65%. The 5-nitro is about the 33%. Gives the 4-nitro 65%. The 5-nitro is about the 33%. 33%. When the same reaction is carried out with an 2-acetylthiophene. Okay, if the same reaction is carried out with the 2-acetylthiophene, these are subjected to the nitration. Okay, we can get the 4-nitro derivative plus the 5-nitro derivative in the ratio of 50% of the 4-nitro, the 50% of the 5-nitro, the 5-nitro. From this data, okay, from this data, what we conclude? We conclude that when the electron withdrawing substituent is present at the second position, electron withdrawing substituent present at the second position, the next incoming electrophilic substitution for the furan ring system is takes place at the 5 position. If you give the example number 1 and 4, the 1 and 4 for the furan ring system, okay, if the electron withdrawing substituent is present at the second position, the next incoming electrophilic substitution is takes place at the 5 position. Okay, but there is an reactivity. Okay, the reactivity of the pyrrole and the thiophene. Okay, the selectivity of the pyrrole and the thiophene get decreases. Okay, the selectivity of the pyrrole and the thiophene get decreases, in which the 2,4-dinitro derivatives are obtained as a major product. Okay, the most of the electrophilic substitution at the 4 position. Okay, the 4 position is obtained as a major. If you consider the second and the fifth example, okay, the second and the fifth example for the pyrrole ring system, if the electron withdrawing group substituent is at the second position, the next incoming electrophilic substitution takes place at the 4 position, that is obtained as a major. The 5 substitution is the minor. Okay, the situation is again more pronounced for the thiophene ring system. If you give the example of the 3 and 6, in which the 4 substitution is obtained as a major, the 5 substitution is obtained as a minor. Okay, this is about the electron withdrawing substituent at the second position. Okay, at the second position. Are you completed up to this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here we can stop. We can continue at the 3 p.m. Okay, we can continue at the 3 p.m. Here we can stop. What is timing of your third lecture?
Sarada.
10:30. Okay. Okay, I have the lecture of the part second. Okay, so here we can stop. We can continue at the 3 p.m. Just note down your presenting. Okay, here we can stop. Join the third lecture.